asked all the time, Becky, I have estate planning documents, I just don't know where to put them. And there's a couple of different options. So some people choose to put their important documents in a safe deposit box at the bank. And that's great. I just want to make sure that you have enough people who have access to that safe deposit box as an owner of that safe deposit box, that if something should happen to you, now they can still access the box and get into your will or your trust. Another thing you can do is you can just keep all of those important paperwork in a binder in one local place in your home. And I want to make sure that you've either told your trustee or your personal representative where that binder is so that they have access to it when they need to. That can either just go on your bookshelf, or it can go into a fireproof box as well if you would like to have one of those in your home. And I want to make sure that you're thinking about things like passwords for your computer. Some people store their information or have an Excel spreadsheet where all of their assets are on their computer. I'd like you to either print that out and keep it with your important paperwork for people to find, or make sure people know what your passwords are to get into your computer to make sure that they can find those important documents. Especially because many of us now don't do bill pays with paper, we actually do online bill pays. And so some of those statements just go automatically to our email accounts instead of having a paper form that people can find in a file cabinet in your house. So make sure you're thinking through what people need to find if something happens to you. Make sure you're writing it down, and make sure that people know where that writing is so that they can find it in case of an emergency.